Okay.
Guys, I'm tired. I'm extremely tired. I made it. 4:14 is done. Just small things like take off the tape, put the light back over here, put the license plate back, clean the windows, just small things like that. Just tidy it up, and I want to bring it out into the sun to see if the wheels, see if the plastic dip covered all the wheels and stuff like that. But outside of that, man, the truck is done. It was a lot of hard work. You can follow me. Take a look at it. The wheels and everything. From what it used to look like. We'll bring it out in the sun so you can see it, but I put bed liner on the rear bumper. So this way, it's extremely rugged. The front is all dipped black. It's a lot. I'm extremely exhausted. Only thing I gotta do left is just buff the tail lights. That's it. And then put them in and close the hood. I might throw a little coat of small wax on it or whatever so it's ready. Because I need to pull it out and then back it in. Because when you see it, George, we're gonna pop the garage and then do the reveal. So it'll have everything on it. It'll have the decal on it and stuff like that. So but this video is going up after you see it. So hopefully you like it, man. There's a lot of hard work, 24 hours. I was able to turn this thing. I mean, you guys seen it earlier in the video, what it looked like. It's a lot of hard work. The interior is crazy. Look at the mats. They're just in pieces, like, they're just in pieces. So Shelly, she cleaned out the interior, cleaned it up real good. We know you're gonna use it for truck and get all, I mean, we know you're gonna use it for work and get it all dirty, but we still just wanted to clean it up for you, man. You work really hard. We appreciate your business, everything that you do for us. You know, hopefully it just motivates you to go stronger. You know what I mean? I know you're always killing every day, and hopefully whenever you come outside, you get in your truck, you're like, yo, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, and I got you on the air control. I'm definitely gonna do that video. So, and if you need a, like, I think the radio is like 24 bucks. I can install that. I know how to do that. So hopefully we can do some future videos with this truck. It's a very popular truck, and I love it. So hopefully you like it. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off, and then we'll show the final product.
All right, let's go. Killing every day. We out here. Flashcustomdesigns. Hit us up if you need some decals. You're George. You're a beast. We love you. Kill it every day. Woo! Y'all ready?
We're ready. You gonna make it?
Excuse me. Jeez.
You make it all, man. Flash Custom Designs, decals,
Bed liners.
shirts, bed liners.
Sheesh, look at that. Oh, that looks good. We did a good job. Yeah. My handprints right there.
All right, we're just tidying up the truck. Got everything off. Wheels looking good, everything looking good. So we're just tidying up, got the lights in. So just tidying it up, finishing up things. And then gonna do the reveal. All right, 5:16. They said they're gonna be here a little after 5, right? Okay, so 5:16, April 4th. Not making this up, 24 hours. Just doing the last little touches. Only thing I gotta do, truck's done, just gotta wipe it off some more and clean the windshield. But Shelly pointed out, don't forget the windshield wiper. So just a small little touch up, just small little details that he probably won't even notice, or probably won't even notice, George, but I gotta do it, man. I can't let you leave in looking crazy. Like I said, the hood looks okay. I know you're not looking for nothing perfect. There's still a lot of chips and stuff in the front. I can definitely sand it and shoot it and paint it. That'd probably be the best way to go, but I'm gonna touch these up real quick. Hopefully I don't get no paint right here. Let's see what we can do. Think I can do it. See how this spray pattern is. Okay, so it's a round spray pattern, so I gotta be very careful. This is 2K coverage, acrylic enamel black. Has a primer and paint in it. So got that one. I didn't go all the way in because I didn't tape off there, but I'll tape off and then I can go all the way in.
Okay.
Also, you notice the wiper blades are still on. Them joints was not coming off, and I didn't want to break anything and then you drive home without a wiper blade, especially when it looks like it's about to rain, so I just taped them off. So I'm gonna tape right here so I can get down in here. But that's it. Oh, let me get some back here. Give them a little life, nothing perfect. Ooh, I think I got it.
Yeah, one more little skirt.
One more little skirt, huh? Skirt.
Yep.
Got it. Ah, look at that. Skirt. Got it. Get it from the bottom.
Okay.
Feeling every day. Feeling every day. Sight, it's not in there.
I thought it was in here.
Ah, there it is. There's your new truck. There's your new truck.
I got a whole new truck. Yeah. Y'all the best. Hey, that is so loud. Carl's white guy.
That's not
okay.
even yours.
It's a, really?
Okay, just
I'll never see you
know.
nappy, bro. What's
Just know that Carl's been 24 hours a day. He put his sweat into this.
That's good.
It was amazing to see him.
He's not even here.
But he had fun the whole
The
time.
trash that came out. I know that came out.
Yes, I swept it
I
out.
know I had piles of shit that I was always falling because it was so old. It just breaks.
No, it just deteriorated.
Yeah, it's deteriorated because it's so old.
I know.
Yeah.
But it was fun. The whole time, you know, Carl's working hard, staying up. I'm like, you have fun still? He's like, yeah.
He asked for it, huh?
He like, this is his passion.
That's just what he likes.
No, he loves it. Like, he's so energetic. He loved it.
That's right.
I know. I was like, okay. This is what you asked for, boy. All right. It should be here. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Come on. We wanted to see you.
We want to see your
Driving
reaction.
up.
Come on.
Ooh.
Now watch it. Oh, I like the front. There we go. Yeah, it is tight. Callie mama said that too.
Watch out, mama. Watch out, baby. Oh.
I like the front. I know you can do all the front and everything too.
No chrome, baby. No chrome. Oh.
Why do we do the whole thing like that?
Ooh.
I like the wheels. The wheels are sharp. Hey, the wheels are tight, man.
Not perfect.
No, the wheels are tight. Hey, the wheels are tight. That's love. How do you do this?
This is dip. This is the same stuff as the wheels.
That's tight.
They're
How do you do the whole
good.
thing though? That'd be tight.
You said the whole thing matte black? Yeah, see, I didn't know. We didn't know.
No, that's all right. That's all right. I'll bring it back.
Yeah.
For real.
We thought about it, but we're like,
No,
we didn't know.
yeah, that's tight.
Isn't
I
it
tried to buff it
nice?
out as much as I
like
could.
this.
Now we know it's actually black.
I told you. It's just long and residue.
We thought it was green and then blue.
So
Yeah, that's it right there. That's what I wanted to see right there.
then the bed liner.
Oh, look at the bed liner inside.
So it's all textured, so it give you some
Remember what it
type of
looked like
protection. I seen it was
before?
all scratched up and stuff like
Oh
that.
my God.
I like that. I think we need to put so that'll pop more.
No, it looks dull for me.
That looks tight though.
This was a long time. And I put it down here too
How did
because
you do all that work today?
I know.
We recorded it.
I
You'll
was
be
up
able to
till
see.
1 last night, and then I woke up at like 7 this morning, 7,
Yeah,
8.
each day,
And there's
12.
still little spots where I need to wipe and stuff like that, but I put bed liner here, so whenever you're working in the truck, because there's so many stretches.
Babe, he don't
Yeah,
remember
it's
what
not
it looks
so-
like before.
Huh?
He doesn't remember what it looks like
It was
before.
just dirty. That's all I remember.
No.
He remembers
No.
Show him a picture.
It was.
Show him a picture, because it was.
Yeah, you
I'm glad you took
definitely
all
got
the things. I'm glad it looks better with the things off the side.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
All
does
you
look
gotta
better.
do is push.
Yeah, it does look better.
If I had more
That
time, I
sticker
could.
though.
No,
Bring it up even
I want
higher.
the whole thing now. I want the whole
thing.
Yeah, I want the whole thing.
Okay.
For sure.
I got a gun too, so I can do it.
Yeah, for sure. I want the whole thing.
Okay.
I'll bring it back whenever. But yeah, I want the whole thing.
Yeah, you can leave it for like a week.
For sure. The whole thing. I like that.
We didn't know.
Yeah, I like that. I like that too.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah, the sticker's tight, huh?
It's not as bright. It needs to be brighter.
Ah, I like it flat. Like that.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Murdered out. That's what you wanted.
That is what I want. That's exactly what I want.
Where'd she go?
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, see how the hood's so old?
Wait, where'd she
Yeah.
go?
We
I mean,
couldn't.
this is just from time, and I never cleaned it, and I never.
where'd she go?
It's just from the weather and everything, just sitting on it.
Where did she go?
Did as much as I could.
We did
See, the
everything.
fender looks good. It came out
That's
way
what
better
I'm
than
saying.
the
Way
hood.
better than the hood because everything falls on the hood.
Yep. I buffed out these as much as I could. Your headlights.
That looks good
a
too.
little clearer.
You record all that so you can post it?
I recorded
All of it?
Everything.
Because I know that's, that's tight.
everything. That's why I wanted your
Wait,
reaction.
Stop having fun.
That's why I wanted your reaction so much, because I was like, man, if I had just run.
It is. Oh, look inside.
Go with you.
Oh yeah, look inside.
Look
Oh,
inside.
you just messing with my dirt, did you? That's what I told you. I knew where that came from.
Look inside. Go ahead there, Nikki. Get in, girl.
Nikki don't like to get in the car.
You can get in
Hey, Carl, for real?
now. No, that's
No,
Shelly. That's
Shelly
all
did
me, baby.
volunteer.
Shelly, we need to make another one of these,
I
Shelly.
know. I was gonna get it, but I'm like, he probably won't like it.
And I can do the thing. That's easy.
What?
Your
The knob?
Radio.
yeah. That's
This, no, this I heard they got them at O'Reilly's. I just gotta go get one.
It's that, or
It's
is
just
it?
this. No, that works. It's just this. Look.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Oh okay. Yeah.
No, that's all it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
you might be able to glue that.
Nah, it's broke. I just need to get a new one. See how it's broke right there? I just gotta get a new one. They said they got them at
I'm
O'Reilly's.
out of breath.
I said he might not like it clean, but
Y'all got the
That sticker's tight, huh? That's what I like.
Yeah.
That's why I've been waiting on them stickers. Maybe we
gritty.
should have two-toned it, huh, Chill, so it'll pop more, huh?
Told you.
It's alright. Like
Just
this.
double layer.
Oh yeah.
But I think no. I
make it
think
See, that's why I wanted to wear this, because I knew I was gonna match this.
I,
'Cause this is the
Oh, yeah, take a
this is the
picture.
gritty look right here. Look at this, Chuck. Tore up.
why you didn't wear your red one?
Because I got it inside. I don't have a red one like this. It's Nikki's that's cut off.
Oh.
Let me get you next to the truck.
Can you see it pretty
Go
good?
put your red hoodie on.
The white?
No, just stand next to
I
it.
like this one. Yeah, we gotta. I want to do the whole thing now, Carl. For
Then
real.
it will look like that flat
Yeah,
mat.
the whole thing.
Move, Bear. We're trying to take a picture.
No, that's fine.
Can you see it? No, it's tight. Let me fix my face.
The boy gritty. Ooh, them buns.
What?
Sorry. Your buns.
You ready?
That's too big.
Condescending. I'm chilling.
Your pants are too big. I wish.
Wheels, I really like the wheels. Man.
No, they came out
Yeah, they came out.
good.
Because I like Carl. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, we're finally done. George is here. I know you seen me pull up around the corner. Almost hit them two old ladies.
Move it.
Right, move it or lose it. But George here, man, how do you like it?
I love it, bro. Came out real good. Came out better than I thought, man. A lot better.
It was a long
Super surprised.
process.
Super surprised. I mean, I think it fits. Oh,
no, go ahead.
like I said, we're gonna bring it back. Work on it a little more, but I like it, man. I really love it a lot. Came out good. Look, we did everything.
So he's gonna bring it back, and we're gonna matte black the whole thing. So the kind of the sides where it's matte black, where plastic dipped it, he wants the entire
So to
truck
match.
like that. So it'll match. So the whole truck, no shine. So even this little bit of shine here, he wants it all covered. So that'll be another project. I have this piece. We're gonna do this, the radio.
The details. We gonna finish
The details, yeah,
we
finish
gonna
up the
It
details
looks
in the
good though.
next video.
I mean, right now, came out better than I thought, bro. It's tight. I like it a lot. For real, I'm surprised. I'm like, man, I don't know what to expect. Is this an old truck?
Yeah.
But I know it's a lot of work. But shit, you did what you did in 2 days.
Yeah, there's so much. I love these things.
Yeah, me
it
too.
was,
They're just simple.
yeah.
They're just simple.
They're just beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful classic trucks. Oh, he also has the tail lights.
Oh, I got. Remind me and I'll bring them to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't let me forget. I'll bring them to you. Yeah,
Okay.
so you can put those on too.
Yep. So we're gonna do even more to it. So,
Yeah.
because I
Stay
want
tuned.
you to be happy whenever
No,
you
I'm
come
happy.
outside.
Like you said a long time ago, I want you to get a truck that fits you. I'm like, yeah, this bitch fits. Nah, that's what I'm talking about. I like that.
Okay, good.
I wanted it all gritted out. That's what I wanted. That's how I like it. So
Great.
yeah.
Yep. So that's it. It's been a long 24 hours. We're definitely gonna get something to eat. Make sure you guys. Oh, by the way, the reason why this is completely. I'm not gonna do this for everybody, but this is Uncle George is killing every day. Listen, #1 brand of Flash Custom Designs, especially here in Texas. New York, Justin, but here in Texas, hands down, #1 brand. Go ahead, tell them about your brand, tell them about everything, about killing every day.
You know what it is, killing every day, man. Just try to get better every day. That's what I'm talking about. So look us up, holla at us, follow us on Instagram, killing every day. Need to put out more YouTube stuff. I know Car tells me.
No, it's all right.
But,
I got you. People gonna see this one.
But we're out here, man. I'm just super stoked about the truck. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love.
Yep.
That's it, man. Thanks.
Yeah. So that's it. This is just my thank you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We
Appreciate it.
truly appreciate everything that you've done for the company and helping us out because you were there from day one.
Yeah.
There's no Flash Custom Designs without Killing Every Day without George. So even though it was a lot of work, I love doing it. Yeah.
Even the knob on you.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's just even in the here, things will pop out.
Yeah,
But yeah. So, all right, guys, you know my slogan. I'm hungry. I'm about to get out of here.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Everybody's hungry. So, be basic. Peace.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Oh, we should have popped the thing.